Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use sum formula in Excel for different cell. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to use the formula in Excel for different cell. At first, write some number. Now I am write some number. Now we can see we write some number. Now I am want to make the sum with different cell. Select any cell. Now write a formula. Write is equal to on our keyboard. Write the sum. Then start the first bracket and select your cell. Then write the plus icon on our keyboard. Then select your different cell. Again write plus and select your different cell. Then again write plus and select your different cell. Then end the bracket. Then press enter. Now we can see we make the sum with multiple cells easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.